guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to restore recently deleted stories from Instagram. So if you have just posted something on Instagram and by accidentally just deleted it, you can restore them within 30 days. Instagram just allow us to restore that particular story within 30 days. After that it will be just automatically deleted from your account. So how to do that? For that you have to just click on the profile icon on the right side bottom, then click on the three dots of the right side top, then go to your activity and click on recently deleted, and you can see over here the story which you have been just deleted. And as I said that within 30 days it will be just automatically deleted. So if you want to restore them, you have to make sure that it will not just pass 30 days. So click on your story and click on the three dots with the more option over here, and you can click on over here restore, and this particular story will be restored to your account. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.